Good morning. Let's dress up for work. Another week of dressing up for work. So you guys know we're in the winter, so definitely I have to layer up. I'm really figuring it out what to wear to work. So what I did last night, I took out some outfits from my closet and I was just trying testing them. And then I thought, you know what, I want to wear some skirts because I do have not a lot of skirt, but I do have quite some few. But I never really get to wear those skirts to work. So I thought, you know what? Let me wear some skirt to work. This is an old skirt. I got this skirt from AliExpress. It was during the summer. I wanted something free, something comfortable in the summer. And then I purchased this skirt from AliExpress. So I thought, you know what? I can wear this in the winter just that I have to layer it up. I'm gonna wear this shirt, this long sleeve. It's a very thick one. I got this from Bershka long time ago. When I say long time ago. But it's still pretty good. So I'm gonna wear this one today as well. Because this one is really warm. It keeps you warm and it's very, very comfortable. Really comfortable. I want to be comfortable at the same time. I also want to look presentable because the last couple of months, me going to work before ever I started this challenge, I was more like, just want to be comfortable. I didn't really care about wearing different things. I just wanted to be comfortable, so I just wear pants and a t-shirt to work. But now I really want to wear everything in my closet. It's also a great opportunity for me to wear the stuff I have in my closet and still look presentable. So yeah, I decided to go for this short wig. This also the short wig I got from AliExpress years ago. Um, Now I thought, you know what? I'm kind of loving the short hairstyle since I cut my hair. I thought, let me wear this. I'm gonna wear my favorite work boots. You guys know this is my favorite. My favorite work boot. This boot is so comfortable. That's one of the reasons why I like it. And it's so nice. And it's black. It matches with every single thing I wear. Yeah, this is the outfit. It's on some tinted lip gloss, some cartridge. Just a little bit, just to give my lip a bit of color. I love it. A little bit go a long way. I really don't need that much when I'm going to work. So SPF, I've moisturized. I wanted to put my SPF after wearing my clothes. Push this with a little bit backward. I know someone asked me like, why do you wear SPF so much? It's good for my skin. I love wearing SPF. I wear it throughout the year. Something that I've gotten used to. So I don't see it like a big deal anymore. As long as I have one that works for me, just wear it. I don't, I don't wear makeup, so just want to look a bit pleasant. I have to go to the bathroom and brush the hair a little bit. I don't like doing that in the bedroom because of the hair. If it's shed, I don't like it. And cream, a little bit of ombre. I'm going to use this Dior perfume. I have this standing for so long. Not long, but I have so much perfume, so sometimes I don't get to use everything. Really, really cool like this. I'm going to mix it with this one. This was my first perfume I ever got. One thing about this, you can always refill it. That's why I still have it. So I always take it back to the store and refill it. So yeah, guys, this is the outfit look for today. We're starting a new week. Today it's Monday. We're starting a new week. So this is the outfit look. I look presentable and I look good. You know, I'm going to work. I look presentable. I still look good. I have a short pants underneath here because I don't like to just wear the legging and then just wear skirts. I like to have a short pants in case of any accident or any uncomfortableness. At least I'm a bit covered. So yeah, this is the outfit look of the day. And if I'm at work, like I always say, hold it up and I'm ready to work. So yeah, this is the outfit look. And see you guys in the next video. Simple. Thank you guys so much.